In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Google Drive with Zapier, even if you're a complete beginner. If you're manually uploading files to Google Drive, organizing folders, or saving attachments from emails, this will save you a ton of time. Imagine every new file automatically triggering actions like notifying your team, logging file details in a spreadsheet, or backing up to another app. Let's get started. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects different apps so they can talk to each other automatically. You can connect Google Drive with Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Airtable, Dropbox, and many more. In Zapier, these automations are called zaps, and every zap has two parts: a trigger and one or more actions. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. It answers the question, when should this run? With Google Drive, triggers include things like new file in folder, new folder, updated file, or a new shared drive file. As soon as that event happens, Zapier kicks off the workflow. An action is what happens after the trigger. It answers what should happen next. With Google Drive, actions can include upload file, create folder, copy file, move file, or create text file. Together, these let you automate storage, organization, and backups without lifting a finger. To build your first automation, head to the Zapier website and log in. Click Create and choose Zap to open the Zap Builder. In the Triggers section, search for Google Drive and select it. Pick your trigger event. For example, new file in folder if you want to monitor uploads in a specific folder. Then click Continue. Connect your Google account, approve access, and choose the exact drive and folder you want to monitor. Click Continue, then Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent file from that folder. This sample helps you set up the next steps with real data. Now add what happens next. Click the plus button to add an action. Let's send a Slack notification when a new file is uploaded. Search for Slack, select it, and choose Send Channel Message. Click Continue, connect your Slack account, and pick the workspace and channel for the alert. Customize the message using dynamic data from Google Drive, such as file name, folder, owner, and a direct link. These fields ensure each message includes the right details automatically. Click Continue, then Test. Check Slack to confirm it worked. If everything looks good, click Publish and turn your Zap on. From now on, every new file in that folder will trigger your automation. You can also save Gmail attachments to Drive, send team notifications for new contracts, backup files to Dropbox, log uploads into Google Sheets, and even create project folders when a new client signs up. Use this to organize files, track uploads in real time, build backups, and streamline approvals, all running quietly in the background. Set it up once, turn it on, and let Zapier and Google Drive handle the busy work while you focus on what matters: